Okay, I wasn't trying to figure out.
Especially when it gets dark out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Morning, people of America. I just woke up. We flew in to Las Vegas super late, and then our flight was delayed because our plane didn't arrive on time, so we actually got into our hotel pretty late. I want to say about midnight, and didn't sleep until 1:32. All right. Oh. I love these comfy pillows and these comforters. But it's time to get up. So I'll let you check out my view. How do you open this? What's my husband do? Do you just... No, there must be a way. Oh, it's like shutters. All right. Sheer. Do you just hold it? Drapery. Oh. Open. I guess I didn't have to hold the button. I was holding the button the whole time. So this is our view, guys. This is Las Vegas. We're staying here at the Palazzo. Oh, look at that pool. It's so pretty. I think it's too chilly to be at the pool, but there's people cleaning it. Ooh, there's like more places to go. Ooh, what's that? Okay, so that's fashion show. Whoa, there's a new building. I wonder what that is. Look at all that open space there. I'm sure they're gonna build more stuff there too, because this place is always building. And boo. Oh my gosh, there's snow over there, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and shower and get ready for the day. So I'll be back for my morning makeup routine. Peace. By the way, guys, this is my vanity. I am so excited to do my makeup, and here's my shower. And P.S. I straight self-tan my legs. If you can see in the light, it's super dark. Hopefully the shower can kind of rinse it out a bit because it's kind of dark. Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower. I literally, oh, my tattoo is like peeling. So I literally could not talk earlier. I literally sound like a frog. Now that I'm out of the shower, I'm all cleared up. I can speak normally. I'm just gonna do a quick get ready. I'm not gonna do a full face just because I'm saving that for tonight. For now, I'm just gonna throw on my brows, mascara, and some moisturizer and just keep it cash because we're just gonna have brunch. So I figure I'm just gonna get ready out here just because it's really nice and it's daylight. So I actually brought this case with me instead of my black case. I don't know what I was thinking. So I forgot that I actually have this case. So I brought this instead of my black soft case or that hard case with a handle and that mirror. So it's just like 2 in 1. And plus it's just like literally a weekend. So I didn't really want to bring like a lot of things. So doing anything crazy. I'm literally just going to throw on some brows. This light is like making me so glowy. The air here and everything, it's just, oh my gosh, I'm like so dry. So I'm so glad I brought my Ren Fast Hydro Boost. I'm gonna add to my moisturizer. This is Sephora collection. This gives you like a nice glowy kind of feel. And that's all I really need here. I don't need anything too crazy. Again, we're just going to brunch. And I am super hungry because it's about 9 o'clock and we need to eat. Ooh. Like I said, we haven't been back in Vegas since like 5 years ago. Well, I think my husband came here last year or earlier this year with the boys, but me, I haven't been here in the past 5 years, so it's really weird. I see a lot of new buildings. I see current structures that have, you know, add-ons to it, so I'm really excited to explore today. I don't know how much I'm going to explore just because it's so cold outside. I feel like I need this light to see what I brought because there's like so much stuff here. Which is a good thing because this can actually carry a lot of products that I can't find. So my tattoos are actually healing pretty good. It's just dry and itchy. Just that stage where it's just super dry and itchy, which I hate. So we're actually staying at the Palazzo, which I've never stayed here before. It's really similar to the Venetian, the setup. It's like every room is a suite, so you have like a second room, which is like 1 level down, which I'm in right now, and then the bedroom is right there, and the bathroom. It's really cute. It makes you feel like you're in an apartment. It's really nice. This is my OOTD. I'm just wearing this long H&M denim shirt, kind of like dress-like. It's my little fanny pack that's easy to travel with. And I'm just wearing my little Chanel shoes to keep it kind of sporty-like. So I'm so excited because we have a lot more people arriving today. The birthday boy and his husband is just arriving. So they're at the airport traveling over to our hotel. 2 of our other friends came here last night as well. So we're all gonna have brunch this morning and let's go have fun. Day 1 in Vegas. Hi!
Oh, hi!
Oh shit! Video story. Hey guys, we are walking down the strip of Las Vegas Boulevard. We're trying to make our way back to the Palazzo. Wait for me! Whoa, thank you. Ooh. Ooh. Woo! Oh gosh. Let's change the subject real quick. I'm still trying to find a hot dog, guys.
Oh, food court.
Oh, because this, Margiano.
Oh.
No, it's not Margiano. Is it? Yeah, that's it.
Birthday
Hi.
to you. So I just did another cleanse because all the friends are here. We are about to get ready. I need to get myself ready so I can glam up the other ladies. But here is my setup for today. I really love this vanity. It's so cute. It's so pretty, so I'm just going to do a little makeup. I ordered some room service, just waiting for my husband to come upstairs so we can get ready together. But in the meantime, since I have some alone time, this is what we about to do. So I'm just gonna play some music and to let you guys watch me get ready.